Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my quinoa salad. It tastes so good, similar to brown rice, and it has a nuttier, earthy flavor the way I have done it. So take a look at some of my recipes, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Go right ahead and press that bell. So I have half cup of quinoa here, and I did place it into some water for about 2 minutes, rinse it, and over medium heat I add my non-stick pan, which I prefer to use, and I'm going to toast the quinoa. You want to do this stirring constantly. The quinoa will dry and there will be no water left in it. Alright, so once you keep stirring and that heat is on medium high, you toast it, it will have that nutty flavor and a delightful texture. At this time you can see what it looks like. I'm going to add some turmeric, some salt, a little bit of black pepper, and some paprika. And I'm going to continue toasting over medium heat. At this time, guys, I'm going to tell you, my quinoa is smelling so good with that heat on it. All the spices here have been infused. So once I stir it, I have some hot water on the side, and I'm going to add some hot water. Now what I did is like toast this for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, it's all dried out, so it's time to add the hot water. And if you're not too certain as to how much hot water to add a little bit at a time, and be sure to check as it cooks. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm going to check to see if the water has been absorbed. And this is just a simple and easy way. As you can still see, there is much water there. And remember, as I just said, reduce the heat to low, guys. I'm going to cover it again and let it simmer again for another 5 minutes. You want to check to make sure that the grain is tender. And don't you forget to check the description box below, guys. So at this time, as you can see, the water has been absorbed, and I'm going to stir it in. No, it's not burned. It's just that the heat is on one side of the pan, but that's all right. As you can see, it's not even stick to the pan here. So now that it's done, I'm going to place it into a bowl, and I'm going to spread it out just so that it can cool, because we don't want to mix it up with the vegetables while it is still hot. I'm going to spread it out, set it aside, and I'm going to attend to my vegetables that I'm going to use into this dish. So I'm using these ingredients here: broccoli, red and yellow, bell pepper, cucumber, parsley, celery, everything I'm going to be listing below. So now that I've washed and diced everything up, I'm going to place them into here. I did use some kidney beans. You can also substitute with chickpeas if you want, or you can omit it. That's all right. Then I'm going to add my finely chopped cucumbers along with my finely chopped broccoli here. And the finer you chop your vegetables, the better, guys. Some celery will do. And I did add some red onions here, guys. Yes, and I did wash it just to get the harsh taste from it. Red and yellow bell peppers, along with some freshly chopped parsley from my plant pot, guys. Look at this. And we're looking at color and taste here today, right? In this recipe, I use coconut oil. I'm not going to make a dressing for my salad, just the pure coconut oil that I did make. If you want to see that recipe, guys, comment below if you want to see me make that coconut oil. Now for additional flavor and spice, I'm going to add some dried thyme and some cayenne pepper and give it a good mix, making sure it is evenly combined. Once it's done, I am going to top it with my Mount Olive mild banana pepper rings and my cherry tomatoes, and this is only when I'm going to be using it, because I'll be leaving my salad for work tomorrow. So I do not like the idea of adding my tomatoes in immediately when it's done. I just use it as a top up when I'm ready to eat. And here you have it, guys. I'm serving it topped with my cherry tomatoes here and some of my banana pepper rings, guys. You can also see I just add some more of the freshly chopped parsley, and here you have it. So this recipe is versatile. It can be prepared several ways. It has an abundance of fresh ingredients. Not only does it looks good and smells good, it tastes good. It's deliciously refreshing also. So guys, go give it a try. Eat healthy, which is a choice. And don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Enjoy.